In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Airbnb link for your listing. This process is straightforward and handy if you want to market your property efficiently or share it directly with potential guests. So let's dive right in and cover all the steps you'll need to follow. First, we begin by opening your web browser and heading over to airbnb.com. Once there, you'll need to access your host account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so by entering your credentials. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will see options for navigation. Here, look for Switch to Hosting and click on it. This will take you to the hosting dashboard where you can manage your listings and settings. Next, from the hosting dashboard, you need to navigate to the Listings section. You should find this option on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Listings, and you will see a list of all the properties you have on Airbnb. Here is where you manage each listing individually. At this point, you'll need to select the particular listing you want to share. Click on the listing to open its settings and details. This step is crucial as it will allow you to access all the specific custom settings for that particular property. Once you have opened your listing, locate the section for creating a custom link. This is usually labeled as Custom Link on the listing page. Clicking on Custom Link will open a text box or a field where you can generate your personalized link. You might be wondering how to create this link. It's simple. Just type in the custom name or text you'd like to associate with your listing. For example, if your property is a cozy beach house, you could name it something like Cozy Beach House. This is the section where you have the creative freedom to choose what your link will say. After you've decided on your custom text, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click on it. This step ensures that your custom link is published and ready to be used. Once saved, your custom link is good to go. You can use it to share your listing via email, social media, or even text messages. It's a handy tool that makes it easier for people to access your listing directly with a memorable and unique URL. And that's it. Now you have successfully created and can share a custom Airbnb link for your listing. By following these steps, you have given yourself an easier way to promote your space to a broader audience. So go ahead, share that link, and happy hosting.